Friends, let's start our practice 3 drawing in AutoCAD. Just open the workspace. Now it is in 2D workspace. To change it to 3D, just click the setting like symbol, the arrowhead, go to 3D modeling. In this, as usual, we're gonna check our units by clicking U and space. Type decimal, precision 0.0, units millimeter, okay. Then we're gonna create a layer by using LA space. Click the yellow new to create a new layer. We're gonna give a name table. Sorry. By clicking the green color, we're gonna make it as current layer. Just close it. Check the layer whether it is in current layer or not. Then we just click the home screen. We're gonna draw a rectangle of length 800 with 450. This is our UCS 0, 0, 0. So we're gonna draw a rectangle REC space X is minus 400 tab, Y is minus 225 space. Then D for distance space, length into breadth. The length value is 800 space. The width is 450 space. Left click your mouse and scroll button, double click the scroll button. We have given the XY direction minus 400 minus 225 is to keep the UCS icon as center. Now go to front view. Now the XY direction is in XZ direction, so we're going to change it to XY. Just click the icon, go to align XY. Have changed to XY. Okay. Now we're gonna draw a square tube REC space, left click, drag downwards D space 30 space 30, left click. Now we're gonna do offset for 5 mm. O space, left click the mouse towards 5 mm space, just click it and go inner side. Okay. Now there are two icons. Now there are two objects, first object and second object. We're gonna make it single object. To visualize, just go to views of shades of gray. Now give REG region space. Click the object that we gonna combine. Space. Now it has changed to a color. Now we're gonna subtract SUB space. Click the outermost object space. Then click the inner object space. Okay. Now we're gonna we need a center line. So for that, CENTRE center line. Click the object. I need a center line between the corner object and the corner object. Okay. Now go to home screen. Then click M. Sorry. Just we're gonna copy CO space. Click the object space, and we're gonna paste it over here. Now we're gonna give sweep command SWEEP space. Click the object that we're gonna sweep space, then click the path that it gonna travel. Okay. Now it have been changed. Okay. Now we're gonna draw legs. Before that, here in the view cube, I changed to unnamed. Just go to WCS. This is orbit. We can rotate our 3D orbit in 360 degree. Just click it. Just left click the mouse. Just drag downwards. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna copy the object. Now we're gonna align AL space. Now we're gonna align the object AL space. Click the object that we're gonna align space. Click the corner end. The corner end we're gonna paste it over here. Then opposite end, click the second end. The second end gonna paste it over here. Space. Okay. Now click the object. Just right click. Go to isolate. Go to hide object. Okay. We're gonna copy the object space. Click the object space. Left click. Move straight. Move the reference point to 300 mm space 800 mm space. Now we're gonna copy the three objects, space, left click, move straight towards 450 mm. Okay, now go to home screen. Then CO space, click the object space, just we're gonna copy the single object and right click, move to isolate, end object isolation, shades of gray, just we're gonna change it to 2D wireframe. So we're gonna align AL space, sorry, we're gonna move the objects M space, click the object space, click the end point over here, and we're gonna paste it over here, END space. Okay, now we're gonna rotate in 3D, 3DRO space, click the object space, just click it over the corner, click the red, then we're gonna change into -90. Okay, EXT space, we're gonna extrude. For that, EXT space, click the object that we're gonna extrude space, just up to here. Okay, then we're gonna hide the object. Click the object, right click, go to isolate, go to hide object, click the object. The reason we selection is, for example, if you're gonna click object, just click the object, right click, go to select similar, EXT space, move downwards to 770 space. Okay, now we're gonna copy the object over here, just pick the endpoint as reference and paste it over here. In case if you couldn't find the endpoint, just type END space, then right click, go to isolate, end object isolation, M space, click the object space, move the, you're gonna move this object M space, click the object space, you're gonna move it over here, then click the object and move to shades of gray. As usual, we're gonna align AL space, click the object space, click the end over here, and we're gonna paste it over here. The second space over here, it gonna paste it over here. Sorry, we're gonna align the object AL space, click the object space, just click it over here, and we're gonna click it over here. The second paste over here, and the second page gonna paste it over here. Space. Okay, now we're going to extrude EXT space, click the object, if crash, just go to region, space, up to here, just copy the object space, click it over here, reference up to 450 mm. Now we're gonna move the object M space, left click, move upward to 50 mm. We're gonna draw a rectangle, REC space, click the end point over here, click the endpoint over here and paste it over here. Then we're gonna extrude EXT space, click the object, go to polyline space, move to downwards to 10 mm. Now we're gonna draw a line L space, click the object over here towards here, and we're gonna give a array AR space, click the entire object that we're gonna array space, go through path array, click the path curve. After there will be a measure, click the measure, change to divide, come down, there will be an item, so click the item and give 4 space. Okay, now just click the reference line, erase it. So we're going to do some modification. Just click it, X for explode space, just click the object space. Okay, have you seen this object? Okay, now it is in overlap, now it is in wrong position, just leave it. I will show you why. Okay, okay, now there are so many objects, so we gonna make it single. For that, UNIO and union space, click the object that you gonna make union space. Okay, now we gonna check whether it is in the way we designed is correct or not. For that, go to solid, click the interfer, just click the entire object space. Again, once again press space. Here it will shows the overlap over here. In case if you're modeling a 3D, in case if you have done mistake, we can check it by here, by close it, just click the object and we going to delete it. This is just a sample. In future drawing we will make some drawings. Okay, now we're gonna draw a rectangular REC space, just click the end over here, just click over here, EXT extrusion space, click the object polyline space, move upward to 20 mm. Okay, let's go to home screen. Now we're gonna add a material over here, MAT space. This is our material adding material library. Just click the material library, just go to wooden ash door, just left click, just drag it and just leave it over here. Now we have added the material but we couldn't see the structure, so just click over the shades of gray, go to realistic. Okay, now MA, we gonna match the properties. MA space, click the object and click the inner object space. Now we're gonna add a material. Go to Autodesk library, click the arrowhead, go to metal, just scroll down. We're gonna give metal 2400F hot. Okay, just press it over here and leave it towards here. Just zoom it. We're gonna use stainless steel material. MA space, click the object, just click it over here. Just we added the material, just close it. That's it, my